Good evening, everybody. Welcome to the Equity Guys post-market video. My name is Chirag, and I'm certified technical analyst, and let's get into the view for today. So, looking at the 5 minutes chart here, we do see that Nifty closed towards the day low. Now, closing towards the day low here does mean that we are, continuously closing towards the day low. We are in that sort of downtrend segment here. Now, we can also see that here that the 15-minute candle low was not respected, as we did break the high, but then when the low was broken, we did make this sort of lower and lower formations down here. Now, looking at the higher time frame, we do see that we are in a bit of a retracement here. Like we said here, we do see this is that swing high here, swing low here. We can sort of take this retracement here for your fib retracements and have this sort of being put here. So this, from this low to this high here, we can see that we are closer in this range of 0.618 to 0.786. We are in that range where the reversals can be expected and we might move up higher. Looking at it from the perspective of the weekly time frame, we still do see a hammer, but the hammer low is broken here. Possible chances of it going higher could be there, but again, that is something that we have to wait and see there. Monthly time frame is definitely looking pretty strong. We are seeing a little bit of retracement, but possibly could be a pickup and break this all-time high levels here again. Looking at it from the perspective of the 4 hour time frame, more of a swing time frame, we do see this trend line break here, which is very, very important to keep in mind. This trend line breakdown is what is here, and we are definitely seeing a steady sort of trend line being kept here, and it is on the move. So this break of this upper trend line could mean a significant break and close. We do see there was almost a break here, but there was not a break and close. A break and close above here could be very, very important here. Keeping that in mind, looking at the 1 hour time frame, we do see the 1 hour time frame has started to make that lower and lower formation. We are right now at this one level here where we could possibly take support, because there previously we have seen multiple supports on this level. So this sort of area can be looked as a support. If this level breaks, we are definitely seeing a strong move on the downside here. So definitely we are starting to see some wicks being formed here on the bottom side here. Buyers are starting to step in a little bit in this area, but again, we have to make sure and see that there is a move on the upside. But again, guys, this is something where you guys should go ahead and trade the setup and not the view here. But keeping that in mind, we are also seeing that tomorrow might be another bearish day because of option chain. Option chain closing very, very bearish in the Nifty market here. So that is again not looking good, but these levels should be kind of respected here. Possibly a move down and then taking support and moving back up could be a possibility again too. Likewise, we are seeing this sort of Asian markets here. The Asian markets did also close a pretty bearish, except for Hang Seng. Hang Seng doing pretty well, and Nikkei also closing bearish here. So we do see a little bit of bearishness in the Asian markets here, not looking really good. Looking towards the close of the European markets, still running. We do see that DAX and CAC is almost on the negative side. Only FTSE is doing positive here, but again, not too good coming in from those markets here. The US markets are just about to open for India, especially the futures market, and we do see there is a negative sentiment in the futures market. Generally, the US markets are also in a downtrend right now, especially looking at NASDAQ, which is a US Tech 100. So we can possibly expect a small sort of gap down and then maybe a recovery after that. But right now we are in that bearish mode right there. But if so, whatever happens, we do break this sort of level here, we can definitely see a huge sell off to these 25 400 300 levels, definitely there. So, and that is right in correlation with our fib levels also. As you can see, we can draw it from here to here. We are at that 25 700 levels here to 25 500 levels here. So definitely can take a retracement there. So keeping that in mind, guys, hope you guys trade, have a good day trading tomorrow. Please go ahead and trade the setup. If you guys want to learn a setup, please go ahead and contact Equity Guys. We are more than happy to teach you guys a setup here. And thank you guys for tuning in. See you guys tomorrow.